Hello friends, welcome back to video lectures. I am Karanam Narayana, Assistant Professor, VIJAYANAGARA College, HOSAPETE. And today's topic is on relation for the K and N in terms of Poisson's ratio. If P is the pressure compressing the cube, that means when the pressure is applied on the cube, then it compresses in all sides. Then the reduction in its volume will be 3p into alpha minus 2 beta. Therefore, the volume strain will be equal to 3p into alpha minus 2 beta. And the bulk modulus is now defined as K is equal to volume stress by volume strain, that is equal to P divided by 3p into alpha minus 2 beta. That is, P is volume stress, where P is the pressure and pressure is defined as force by area. Similarly, the volume stress is also defined as force by area. Hence, we replace volume stress by P, the pressure, that is equal to force by area. And K is equal to 1 by 3 times alpha minus 2 beta as P cancels. The reciprocal of bulk modulus is called as compressibility. That is 1 by K is equal to 3 times alpha minus 2 beta. The further bulk modulus is defined as K is equal to 1 by 3 times alpha minus 2 beta, or if I take alpha common factor in the denominator, then we get that is equal to 1 divided by 3 alpha times 1 minus 2 beta divided by alpha. That is equal to 1 by 3 alpha into 1 minus 2 times sigma, where sigma is beta by alpha. Therefore, bulk modulus in terms of Poisson's ratio is given by K is equal to 1 by 3 alpha into 1 minus 2 sigma, and K is equal to y by 3 into 1 minus 2 sigma, where y is equal to 1 by alpha, that is the Young's modulus. Therefore, y is equal to 3k times 1 minus 2 sigma. This is Young's modulus in terms of Poisson's ratio, that is given by y is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma. Rigidity modulus is defined as 1 by 2 times alpha plus beta. If I take alpha as common factor in the denominator, then 1 by 2 alpha into 1 plus beta by alpha. That is equal to 1 by 2 alpha into 1 plus sigma, where sigma is defined as again beta by alpha. That is equal to y by 2 into 1 plus sigma, where y is equal to 1 by alpha. That is 1 by alpha is replaced by y. Therefore, y is equal to 2n into 1 plus sigma. Let us call this as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, as LHS are equal, RHS must be equal. That is, the LHS is given by 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma, and RHS is given by the 2n into 1 plus sigma. Now, bringing this value of 3k inside, 3k minus 3 into 2 is 6. 6k into sigma, that is equal to, if you take 2n inside, 2n into 1 is 2n plus 2n into sigma is 2n sigma. If I transfer 2n to the left hand side, it becomes 3k minus 2n. And if I transfer 6k sigma to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6k sigma plus 2n sigma. If I take sigma common factor on the right hand side, it becomes sigma times 6k plus 2n, or sigma is equal to 3k minus 2n divided by 6k plus 2n in the denominator. So, the elimination of sigma from equations 1 and 2. We have from equation 1, y is equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 sigma. From equation 2, y is equal to 2n into 1 plus sigma. Equation 1 is multiplied by n and equation 2 is multiplied by 3k. That means when I multiply the first equation by n, we have the equation 1 implies yn is equal to 3kn into 1 minus 2 sigma. The equation 2 on multiplying by 3k, we have 3ky is equal to 3 into 2 is 6, 6kn into 1 plus sigma. These are the new equations of 1 and 2. Now adding these two equations, we have yn plus 3ky is equal to 3kn plus 6kn. That is equal to y times, if I take y common, y times n plus 3k is equal to 9kn, or y is equal to 9kn by n plus 3k. 9kn whole divided by n plus 3k. This is the relation for bulk modulus, rigidity modulus and Young's modulus. And it can also be simplified as, if I transfer the terms, n plus 3k is equal to 9kn divided by y. Now if I divide every term by kn on both sides, that is the first term is n divided by kn, plus second term is 3k divided by kn, that is equal to third term is 9kn by y, that is also being divided by kn, that is given by 9kn by ykn. Now on cancellation of the terms, we get 1 by k plus 3 by n is equal to 9 by y, or 9 by y is equal to 1 by k plus 3 by n, which is the relation for the Young's modulus, bulk modulus and rigidity modulus, and it is given by 9 by y is equal to 1 by k plus 3 by n. Thank you.